Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. It took us 59 games to reach the ultimate contest between Chennai Super Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders. Head-to-head, Chennai has a huge advantage over KKR, including recent form where CSK has a winning streak of 3 against the Knight Riders. Both teams are expected to play the same 11 as last match unless Russell comes in for Shakib on this pace-friendly deck. Venue-wise, CSK has done well and won both their games this year, while KKR has 50% win record. 3 out of 4 times, chasing team wins here, and toss will play a major role in deciding who lifts the trophy tonight. Phase-wise, Chennai Super Kings score most impact points in death overs in both bowling and batting, while KKR does the same in middle overs. These sessions will be crucial to determine the fate of the game. Let's look into the matchups. MSD is not having a good season, but he came through for the team in the qualifiers with his cameo. Although there is a good chance KKR bowlers won't let him get going given his record against spin. Varun has gotten him thrice in 2 overs. Eoin Morgan's season is going epically disastrous and there are no numbers that support his claim to the Fantasy 11. Gaikwad has very meritorious numbers all around, has done well in Dubai and against KKR. Bats like a force in middle overs and is our vice captain for today. Gill has been consistently giving starts and averages over 40 in power plays. No red flags other than his struggle against Shardul. Sure starter. Venkatesh Iyer has been having a dream season. Averages 40 plus against both spin and pace and averages 60 plus in power plays. He has done well at this venue and is our captain for the day. Faf has been impressive against pace this season and has a great record at this venue and against KKR. Definite pick. Nitish would like batting against CSK attack since he likes medium pace. His weaker areas like game against leg break and express pacers won't be tested today as CSK doesn't have any. No reason why he won't shine. Jadeja has been sensational at the death and has enjoyed batting at Dubai. His batting position has been a bit of a concern and could be a risky pick. Dinesh Karthik, like Rana, should also excel against CSK attack as his average is 70 against medium pacers. Has good record against Jadeja and is our pick in the wicketkeepers category. Moeen Ali has blown cold from past few innings and doesn't have a great record against spin. 5 dismissals for 80 runs against leg break is reason enough to eliminate him. Rahul Tripathi, the hero of the last match, loves pace. Has great record against Chahar but not so much against Bravo or Jadeja in my 11. Raidu has done incredibly well for CSK at death alongside Jadeja but has an average record at Dubai and against KKR, not in my 11. If we look into the patterns, you can have Jadeja, Raidu if CSK bat first and invest in Rana if CSK chase. Ferguson, Bravo, Mavi and Shardul have been the most frequent wicket getters, while Moeen, Chahar, Jadeja and Narayan have picked wickets in only half the games. Batting wise, all the 4 openers have been having a ball while the middle order has struggled, especially Karthik and Morgan. Suresh Raina has most runs and top scores in head-to-head, while Jadeja has the best average. Sunil Narayan is the leading wicket taker with 18 wickets. For your Fantasy 11, have all the 4 openers and select your captain vice captain among them. For bowlers, have Bravo, Ferguson and Varun in the core team. For the rest of the 4 players, I am going with Karthik, Rana, Mavi and Jadeja. You can include Shardul for Mavi too. That is all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including the website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next one.